I am doing this heart shape coaster, small motif, very easy. Let us start. I am using 2.5 mm crochet hook, scissor, needle. I am using 4 different colors yarn used. Starting with magic ring. Channel 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Three treble crochet inside the magic ring. One, two, three. Next 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Next channel 3, 2, 3. Next 3 double crochet inside the magic ring. 1, 2, 3. Next 3 triple crochet inside magic ring. 1, 2, 3. Next 3 channel 3. 1, 2, 3. Next slip stitch inside magic ring. Next pull the yarn very tight. The heart shape is formed. Next cut the yarn. Seam and hide the leftover yarn. Center portion is completed. Next another color yarn is used. Starting with this point. Next channel 2, 1, 2. 1 triple crochet inside the heart. 2 double crochet, half heart another portion, back side yarn, using back side yarn, 1 2, then 1 half double crochet, next 2 single crochet, same channel, 1 same channel, 2 single crochet, next and next channel is 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, next channel is 1 half double crochet, next channel is double crochet, next channel double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 then 3 half double crochet, 1 2 3, then 2 double crochet, 1, next channel is double crochet, then half double crochet, 1 half double crochet, next single crochet, same point is 2 single crochet, next point 2 single crochet, 1 2, 1 half double crochet, next channel is double crochet, 1, last chain is double crochet, then slip stitch, first point, slip stitch, the round is ready. Next channel 1, this point is 2 half double crochet, 1 2, next point is 2 half double crochet, 1 2, next point is 1 half double crochet, next increased half double crochet, 1 2, next total number of channel is 34, this round is 34, next join the another color, Next channel 1, 34 single crochet, 34 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 33, 34. Now join another color. Now connect to slip stitch. Then channel 1. This point is 2 half double crochet. 1, 2. Next channel is 2 half double crochet. 1, 2. Next round is this portion is half double crochet. This portion is increased. 1, 2. Next half double crochet this point. Next channel is half double crochet. Next increased. 1, 2. This procedure followed to all channel. Channel 1, this portion is skipped. Next 4 double crochet. Next channel skip. Next channel slip stitch. This procedure followed to all channel. Channel 1, next skip 1, next 4 double crochet. This point is 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Next channel is skipped. Next channel is slip stitch. 1 skipped, next slip stitch. Total 13 same procedure. Next channel channel 1 cut the yarn. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The heart shape cup holster is ready. Very nice. You try it. Thank you for watching. Please support.